Who's a good girl? Huh? Who's a good girl? You are. Yes, you are. Hey guys, it's me, Lightstar317, and today I'm gonna show you guys part of my daily routine in the morning. As you can clearly see around me, I am currently in my garage. That's because I have to take care of this cute little thing. That's my dog, and I will not disclose her name because I believe in pet confidentiality. And anyway, let's get right to it, shall we? Well, see, here I can get this leash here and hook it up to my dog's collar. And if my dog would please follow me. Okay then, let's get going outside. Jeez, a little bright out here, I would think. Okay then, now let's continue. Okay then, I basically walk around the back of the house, or at least as you can see, the amount of dirt over there is where my family's new drain field is. I mean, it'll eventually sink down into the ground, but for now, I don't think so. Okay, then let's see here. Where is the... Okay, then let's see. And of course, I'm usually the one who takes care of this mongrel. But last night, my younger brother took care of her, which is at least nice of him. And well, would you look at that? There's some frost on my arm. I wonder how that happened. Okay then, I'll pick this back up once I get back to my dog's doghouse. Okay then, got what I need for my puppy. My dad has the dog on Beneful, which is a pretty good dog brand. Also, Beneful, if you would like, you could please do your best to do a brand deal. Okay, now we also got some water. Now let's get back to the doghouse so that I may give my dog some of the delicious love of her food and water. Of course, I'll pick this up when I actually straighten out the food and dog bowls. Alright, now to give her water. And now her dog food. And there you go. That's how I take care of my puppy. Okay then. Now I'm going to pick this up again when I get back into the garage. And with that concludes my moments of a day in the life with me, Lightstar317. If you guys liked that video, then please drop a thumbs up if you liked it. My Twitch and Twitter links are in the description, and all. So if it wouldn't be too much trouble, if you would please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications, never miss a video. We are nearly at our 1,000 subscriber goal, guys. We are as of recording this, at 930 subs. If we can get the last 70 subs before tomorrow, I will do something extraordinary. Also, as well, if you guys got any suggestions on what you want me to do for when I get to 1,000, please tell me in the comment section down below. This is Lightstar317 saying thanks for watching, and until next time, don't forget to stay awesome, stay lit, stay safe, and have a smile upon your face every single day. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Yeah, I make decisions to glow. Ridiculous flow, potential to glow. You know.